Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how to fix Facebook if dark mode isn't working on your iPhone, Android or desktop. First of all, make sure your Facebook app or browser is up to date. Outdated version often cause dark mode issues. Next, close and reopen the Facebook app or refresh your browser. Sometimes quick restart fixes minor glitches. It might also be because you haven't enabled your dark mode correctly. Go to settings and privacy. Open Facebook app and then go to your settings and privacy. Then scroll down, click on accessibility and then go to display and then turn the dark mode on. Now this is how you can turn on the dark mode. Now if that also did not work on your phone, go ahead and open your settings and search for storage. Next, scroll down and click on the Facebook button, then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So that's it. 5 quick fixes if Facebook's dark mode is not working. Update, reset, enable properly and clear cache if needed. If this helped, like and subscribe, and do not forget to comment on this video for quick tech tips. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys like this video.